5. Question number 2. We were in the simplification and we had already solved 2 questions above. Okay, so the first one is root 5 plus root 2 the whole square. Now, if you still come to the basics, you will come to know there is a formula which is related to the sum, that is a plus b the whole square, which makes a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it's a type of factorization where the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square is used. Now what you can do here is, for your simplicity, assume a as root 5, b as root 2. So if you assume it, a equals to root 5 and b equals to root 2. Now the formula says a square, that is root 5 square plus 2 multiplied by a, root 5 multiplied by b, root 2 plus b square, that is root 2 square. So for root 5 square, accounting root 5 square becomes 5 plus root 5 into root 2. See, we have already done some exercises before. I had also given you the PDF just to solve this root or the problems with root sums. Okay, so you should know here, root when multiplied with root, it becomes a root. So root 5, root 2, root 10 plus 2, root 10 plus root 2 the whole square becomes 2. Now, see the like terms. Here you can see 5 and 2 are like terms. So you can undergo an operation here. The operation here is addition. So 5 plus 2 gives 7 plus 2 root 10. Students, this is your final answer in the example number 3. The question was root 5 plus root 2 the whole square. Here, right from the sum, we came to know about a formula, that was a plus b the whole square. We just wrote the formula for our simplicity, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Give them a name, a, use 5, b, root 2. Now, solve here. A square root 5 square plus 2 into a root 5 b plus b square. So 5 plus root 5 into root 2 gives root 10 plus 2. So 7 plus 2 root 10 is our answer. Now again, we come back on the fourth sum, that is root 5 minus 2 root 5 plus 2. Again what you can do here is, just go for your basics, and if you go for your basics, you come to know it's also a formula from factorization. The formula which can be given here is a plus b, a minus b, which gives a square minus b square. Now take a 5 minus root 2, 5 plus root 2. How you have to identify the formula is, see, there is only difference of sign in both the brackets, that is both a and b are common in both of them, root 5, root 2, root 5, root 2. The only difference is the difference of sign, that is minus and plus. So you can apply the formula a plus b, a minus b. It gives a square minus b square. Now take a as root 5 and b as root 2. Apply the formula a square minus b square. So root 5 the whole square minus root 2 the whole square. Root 5 becomes 5 minus root 5 square, becomes 5, root 2 square becomes 2. So as you all know, 5 minus 2 is 3. So here your answer is 3. I repeat the sum again, a minus b, a plus b, root 5 minus root 2, root 5 plus root 2. So here you can apply the formula of factorization, that is a plus b, a minus b. So it gives a square minus b square. If you just assume a as root 5, b as root 2, what you can do is root 5 square minus root 2 square. So root 5 square becomes 5 and root 2 becomes, the square of root 5 becomes 5, the square of root 2 becomes 2. So 5 minus 2 we get is 3. So our question number 2, that was simplified, has been completed here. Now we shall directly move towards question number 5. The examples related to question number 5 are been solved by us in the previous lectures. So question number 5 is rationalize the denominator. Question number 5 is rationalize the denominator, which the questions are: first one, 1 upon root 7, second, 1 upon root 7 minus root 6, third one being 1 upon root 5 plus root 2, and the fourth one 1 upon root 7 minus 2. So these are your questions. Okay, we need to rationalize the denominator. We had already solved some examples or exercises which was related to this. I repeat the concept again. Just take the denominator, multiply it with numerator and again with the denominator. Now if there are two terms in the denominator, what you need to do is just make a change in the sign. If it's addition, make it subtraction. If it's subtraction, make it an addition. We'll see it. So look at the denominator, root 7. What you can do is 1 upon root 7 into root 7 upon root 7. Here you don't need to worry about the sign because there is only one term. And as there is only one term, just put it as given. So 1 upon, see here, 1 into root 7 becomes root 7 upon 1 multiplied by root 7 becomes root 7, because anything multiplied by 1 is the number itself. And root 7 into root 7, again root 7 into root 7 gives the square of root 7, and the square of root 7 is 7. This is your answer. I repeat it again. See the denominator, multiply it with numerator and denominator. Now if you see the numerator, there is 1 multiplied by root 7 and root 7 multiplied by root 7. So 1 into root 7 gives root 7 and root 7 into root 7 gives 7. So that was our first answer. We move towards the second one. 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. See, here as I told you there are two terms. So what you will do is just change the sign. That is, subtraction will become addition. So root 7 plus root 6 on root 7 plus root 6. We just make a line here so that you don't have any problems with this one. Now root 7 plus root 6 multiplied by 1, we get root 7 plus root 6, and root 7 minus root 6, root 7 plus root 6. Again here you can go with the factorization formula, a plus b, a minus b. So when you come to know that there is a factorization or there are the sums which include the sums like a plus b, a minus b, what you need to do is a square minus b square. So root 7 square minus root 6 square. So root 7 plus root 6 upon 7, root 7 square becomes 7 minus 6. So your final answer becomes root 7 plus root 6 upon 1. That will be your final answer. I repeat it again. 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. There are two terms. So there will be change in the sign. So minus will become plus. So root 7 plus 6 upon root 7 plus 6. When root 7 plus root 6 multiplied by 1, we get root 7 plus root 6, and root 7 minus root 6, root 7 plus root 6. So the formula applied here is a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. Square of root 7 is 7. Square of root 6 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Move towards the third sum. Similar one. Now you should not have any problems in solving this sum. I will do one for you. The one you need to practice it at your home. That is 1 upon root 5 plus root 2. No. Change the sign. Root 5 minus root 2. Root 5 minus root 2. Multiply this whole term with 1. Root 5 minus root 2 upon again a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. Root 5 square minus root 2 square. So the sum becomes, see, if you will just go again, if you just go root 5 minus root 2 and square of root 5 square or square of root 5 minus square of root 2. So the answer will be root 5 minus root 2 upon 3. So students, I hope you have understood all the 3 sums. 4 sums are there. One you need to practice it at home, and if you have any doubts, you know we always have live sessions. Now along with this uploaded video, I am going to send you a PDF. You need to save them at your home, and if you have any doubts, you know we always have live sessions to discuss the doubts. I hope you all are clear with the concept of rationalize the denominator, in which you have to take denominator, multiply with numerator and denominator. Now if there are 2 terms, means you need to change the sign. There is no, you can say these are very easy sums. Solve one at your home. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you everyone.